Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to change Google Assistant photo profile or profile picture. So if in case you've been wondering how to change the Google Assistant photo, you just need to open the Google Assistant. Okay, just click on this icon. And then here you can see your photo right here. If you want to change it, just click on this. Okay, and then click on manage your Google account. So basically, to change the Google Assistant profile picture is to change your profile picture on your Google account. Just click on get started and then click on this and click on set profile photo, and then choose photo, and you can choose any photo that you want on your camera roll or on your gallery. Okay, I'm gonna choose this photo right here, and then you can crop the photo as you want, as you like. Just click accept. Sorry. Why? Okay, I'm gonna just click accept. Wait for the profile photo is finished set. Okay, just like that, your Google account or your Google Assistant profile photo has been changed. Okay, so that's it for me. If you like the video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment if you have any question, and also subscribe for our channel to see more contents. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye bye.